that of a big ship, it was the gift of Mary his daughter. Molly could not agree because she was very beautiful. After Molly could not marry, one day his wife expected him to see his motherland. Molly could not agree with her. So, the ship anchored nearby the harbor of West Sumatra. Everybody heard the traffic and the world spoke about it. Molly, come back! Molly, come back! She is rich now! They shouted. Molly could not mother went to the harbor and found Molly could not and his wife. Said his mother. Molly could not was very ashamed to his wife when he did his mom back home. But she always